What's going on, guys? Matthew here from PC Villains Professional Repair. Happy 2022, everybody. This is like the first repair, my day back, on holiday and stuff. So, good to be back, I hope. So, let's begin with a Samsung A51 that was booked in because it's not displaying. The customer, one of our good customers, booked in they changed the screen, but on further inspection, I found that the FPC connector, the one pin is actually pretty damaged. So let's begin and let's dive under the scope and change this actual connector. Hopefully this will fix his issue in terms of getting display on his A51. So it's a shop, so obviously we do repairs and stuff on dealers with dealer cell phones as well as laptops. So I'm hoping that we can at least fix his issue. Let's go into the scope and see what's going on the connector itself. If we can see carefully, let's go a bit more. We can see it's perfect. It looks a little bit broken on this side of there, but if we come to this side, this is absolutely looks like trash. So we're gonna have to unfortunately change this with another FPC. The client did provide us with a donor board where I can take this connector from, because generally, where am I going to find that connector? No one knows. Let's get to it. Let's get in a board holder and let's replace it. Simple, quick, straightforward job. Hopefully. Let's get this going, man. Apparently it's urgent because technician damage. As always, tech damage is not so great. Almost there in our board holder.
Yeah, I'll phone you. But answer, please. Just make sure it's the same phone number we have on the system.
Okay. So
it's fine. I'll phone you soon.
Here is our connector. Let's remove the connector and get cracking. So,
I'll phone you. Okay. I'll ask you.
we need to remove this connector in a way that's safe, so we don't damage the motherboard. Let's remove, this thing's gonna come off. You can see it's broken here. Whoop. And there we go, it's off. So now let's put some paste, then we can wet this. Okay, so then we got a paste, then we're gonna wick this away. Basically, the whole point of this is to lower the melting temperature. So when I put the other connector on, what will happen is it will drop the melting temperature. let's just clean the burn flux off quickly. You can see, looks pretty good. Now we can take our flux, just apply a little bit of flux on the board, and then we're just gonna go over the connectors. A little bit more flux on this side. Perfect. As you can see, I'm leaving the ground pads alone so that the connector can sit, and then what I'll do is I will then put solder on the actual ground connectors. 100%. Now what we can do is remove a little bit of flux off of this because there's too much flux. We only need a little bit. That should suffice. I just want to get this board to a bit of temp. We're going to heat this thing nicely. Okay. We're going to align this connector beautifully. Once we aligned it, we're going to go under and we're going to check that the pins are aligned, which they are not. Okay, cool. We're going to lower our airflow a little bit. And we're going to set this connector. Okay, now we can put a little bit more flux so that this thing can sit down in place. Okay, let's put some air. Okay, I think that connector should be down nicely. We're just gonna wait for it to cool. And then what we will do is inspect every joint on the connector. Solid, 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 solid. We're going to rotate, and we're going to check this one. Looks pretty good if you ask me. Then we can put a little bit of solder here. A little bit of solder here for some support. Just so that connector can be held down in place nicely. Oop, that side is done. Let's do this one. You see it's a bit loose on here. So let's put our paste down, and then we can and there we go. Lick a little bit away. And our connector should look beautiful.
These are iPhone 8. These are both the 12. This is 64, 128. This is the 6 plus the 6 and
Hisham, pass me the flux off quickly. Pass me flux off. Spray. Spray, spray. Thanks. Thank you very much. Okay, there we go. We got a perfect solder job, I would say. Check it out. You guys can see. Joints look good. Let's see if it's going to work. Hopefully it will work. So, maybe we're lucky. Maybe there's more. Then that's not my problem. But, nevertheless, here's the new screen. Let's plug him in. Plug the battery. Find a charger. Put power. Hey, there we go. We got a logo. We got a successful repair, baby. It's pulling 0.3, board's getting hot. I'm getting display, which means it's a successful repair. Yay. First board issue for the year. Thanks guys for watching this video. If you have any weird, wonderful repairs that you think that other technicians can't fix, just send it to us in PC Vitamins, and we will hopefully repair it for you. Also, if you have a repair, if you're from Durban, Cape Town, or wherever in the country, we will gladly just send courier guy to pick up the device for you, and we will advise and look at it. International repairs as well. If you're more than welcome to mail a repair to us, we're more than welcome. We do take mail-ins as well. Thanks guys for watching. If you like the content, really give a thumbs up, and I'll check in the next repair, guys. Please subscribe. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, maybe one day, hopefully. Thanks guys for watching, and yeah, cool. Very happy. That's for the win. Cool. Thanks guys. Cheers.